Assalamu alaikum. Once again, heartfelt Ramadan Mubarak to all of you. Today in the Ramadan series, I'm going to show you how to make royal Falooda or Kulfi Falooda, or it's also called as Rabdi Falooda. It's a cold dessert. It has a delectable and astonishing taste that simply can't be ignored. It's very simple to make. It's a combination of basil seeds, Falooda Sev, ice cream, jelly, dry fruits, sweetened milk or Rabdi, and rose syrup. It's a best treat to our sweet tooth in Ramadan at iftaar. So let's get started. It's going to be a detailed video of making Rabdi, Sev and everything, so bear with me. So first we will start with making Rabdi. So for that I have taken 1 liter of milk. Milk should be full cream, and I have taken 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder, a few saffron strands for flavor. These both are optional, but they give a good flavor. And peel chopped sliced almonds. These are also optional, but they will turn good. And 1/2 cup of sugar. So first thing, we will take milk in thick bottomed pan and bring it to boil. Then we will be adding cardamom powder, saffron strands and almonds to it, and we will keep it on high flame till first boil. Then we will keep it on low to medium flame and keep scraping of cream from the sides of the pan, and we have to keep mixing it once in a while. We have to reduce the milk 1/4 of its volume. So suppose we have taken 1 liter, so it should be left with around 250 milliliter. We have to keep it stirring in between and keep off scraping the cream from the sides so that it thickens. Sometime the cream has started to come up, so again we'll mix it and scrap the sides. This is an important step. And after some time, here you can see the color has also changed. It has started to thicken. We will keep mixing it, and we will add sugar at this stage, like it's almost half of its volume. And the flame here is medium to low. You can keep. It takes a good time. We have to be patient with it, but it turns that good also. We will keep checking consistency also. So we need a thick consistency because we are going to make kulfi also out of it. Now with this consistency, we will turn off the flame. Here I can show you. Then we will let it cool down. We will let it cool down to room temperature. Then we will transfer it to molds, and we will save some in the refrigerator. So here we will be transferring it to molds because we are going to make Kulfi Falooda also. So I'm taking the same mixture, and then part of it I'll save in the fridge that we'll be using for our royal Rabdi Falooda. This turns out to be that matka kulfi kind of. You can use it for normal kulfi also. So simply you have to boil and reduce it in the volume with some almonds and sugar. Now I have used 2 molds for kulfi, and rest of it will go in a airtight container that I'll keep in fridge till it cools down. Till then we will do the other stuff for our Falooda. Now this one will go in the fridge till it cools down. It's completely cold because it tastes best when it's chilled. Now moving to making of Sev or Sevayian for Falooda. For making Sev or Sevayian, I have taken 1/2 cup of cornflour and 1 teaspoon of sugar. It will give very mild sweetness to it. You can get ready-made Sev too in the market. that's available in the market. It comes, you just have to boil it. So I'll be showing you the packet. So like this Falooda Sev, it comes like this, vermicelli Falooda Sev, and it looks like this. If you don't have both the options, then you can use Sevayian Sev, but the thick one for this, for making Falooda, because nowadays because of the lockdown many things are not available. So before moving to making Sev, we have to keep ready two things. One is ice cold water. So here you can see I have put ice in this water and it's cold water. I'll keep it back in the fridge. And the other one is Sev maker. I'll be showing you this. This is a kitchen tool that we use to make Sev and some other bhujia kind of things, some namkeen. It comes from different plates, so I'm using this one which has this kind of folds, that's perfect for making Sev. So it goes like this, then we close it and then we turn it, we put the mixture inside and then we turn it. So this, it goes like this. Now if we don't have this, because sometimes we don't have all the tools at home, so you can use this jalebi or ketchup squeezer. Simply we can put the mixture inside it and squeeze it like this. This can be also used, or if you have frosting cone, you can use those nozzles. So anything, like you need a smaller, with smaller hole nozzle, anything can work. And before starting, I'm keeping this ready, so I'll just grease it from inside with oil. That's it, so that it won't stick to it. Now in a pan, I have taken half a cup of corn flour and sugar, 1 teaspoon, and added 1.5 cup of water. Here there is these measurements are very important, or else it won't turn good. And here I have not turned on the flame yet, so I'll mix it properly so that no lumps are formed. When the spoon or spatula moves freely, that means that the mixture is mixed properly. Then I'll turn on the flame, and here we have to be careful. We don't have to, we just have to be there and keep stirring it, because in no time it will start thickening. So lumps will start forming. Here, as you can see, lumps have started forming, so we have to keep it stirring. This mixture will should turn from whitish to transparent, or I would say translucent. Here you can see, and it will turn into a jelly like mixture. So at this stage it's perfect, so we will turn off the flame, so we don't have to overcook it, so that, or else I'll say won't turn good. So it's done, so I'll turn off the flame, and then we will transfer it to our Sev maker. So here you can see it's quite hot, so need to be careful with it, but we have to work with it when it's hot. So now we will start making Sev. Here you can see we just have to turn it and Sev will be formed, but water has to be cold, that's an important thing. So here you can see Sev is formed. So here the Sev is ready, and it's still in water, so I'll drain some of its water. Meanwhile, Rabdi was also completely cold, so I'll be showing you the things that we need to set up Falooda, Rabdi Falooda and Kulfi Falooda. I have taken dry fruit mix. You can take dry fruit mix of any of your choice, whatever is available with you. I have taken almonds, cashews, pistachios, walnuts and raisins. And rose syrup or Rooh Afza, I have taken 2 tablespoons. This is for both Kulfi as well as Rabdi. Basil seeds, I have taken 2 tablespoons. You can take as much as you want. And jelly, and Rabdi, now it's completely cold. And our Sev, that's still in water, but I have drained the extra water. I'm not showing Kulfi here because that's still in the freezer, so I'll be showing you it later. Right now we are doing this Rabdi Falooda. And jelly I have bought from the market, and I have followed the instruction, whatever was written there. You can take any jelly of your choice, or even tutti frutti if you have, you can use that also. So right now just this jelly was available with me, so I used that. You can use any other flavor or color too. And I'm using this vanilla ice cream. This is optional. If you have, you can use it. Now setting up the royal Falooda in the glasses. So I have taken 2 glasses. So first I'll pour Afza or rose syrup in it towards the sides. Then we'll go a layer of Rabdi. You can add according to your taste. There is no hard and fast rule that you have to add this. Whatever you like, you can just add the way you want. So I'll be adding a layer of the Rabdi. And we'll go a layer of basil seeds or Babribyol or Sabza. Then jelly. You can take tutti frutti also if you have, or any other thing, and if you don't have, you can skip it. Then you can add dry fruit also here. Then I'll be adding a good layer of Sev, because Sev tastes the best in Falooda. Then again a layer of Rabdi. Then dry fruits. So you can add anything according to your taste and choice, whatever you like. Then again I'm spreading a layer of Sabza. Then again some Sev and jelly. Then I'll be adding a scoop of ice cream. This is optional. And then we will be garnishing it with some nuts. So it's the best layered dessert in a glass with multi-layered texture and superb flavor. Here the delectable taste Rabdi Falooda is ready. Now we will be doing a Kulfi Falooda. Kulfi molds are also ready. Here you can see, I'll just put them in the serving plate. Then I'll slice the kulfi, though it's a little squishy because it has not frozen properly. It means it needs some more time. Then I'll be putting Sev on it, and then spreading some rose syrup or Rooh Afza. Then basil seeds. I like basil seeds, so I'm putting some extra. You can add whatever quantity you like. And then some nuts. And here our Kulfi Falooda is ready. It tastes heavenly. Here our plate of happiness is ready. It tastes amazing with a different texture and different taste. It's superb. So here I showed you both, like how we can make Rabdi Falooda or royal Falooda, that's called, and Kulfi Falooda. So we need to just make a Kulfi and Sev. That's the main thing. Rest your choice, whatever you want to add. So give it a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Remember in duas. Have a good day.